Here at Wholesale Coffee, we pride ourselves on supplying quality beans at a quality price. Now we'll have a quick look at some of our most popular blends. To start, our most exclusive blend, Tunky. Tunky is a beautifully balanced 100% Arabica, single origin, gourmet Peruvian coffee. Only the finest beans are picked from a single location in the Peruvian Andes, 1300 to 1800 metres above sea level. This organic coffee has an intense flavour, full body and citrus acidity. It also boasts a floral aroma with a sweet chocolate hint. Here we see this gourmet Peruvian coffee being used to make a speciality layered latte, a favourite in cafes and coffee shops. This exclusive coffee suits restaurants, upmarket coffee houses and those wanting to serve only the best. Here we have the Carabana blend, the perfect value for money coffee offering some of Brazil and Mexico's finest beans. This strong, robust roast is excellent for obtaining an aromatic and rounded cup of coffee. We find this blend is perfect for cafes, offices and high street coffee carts. Next we have our Forte blend, a low-cost, strong roast ideal for milk-based drinks such as cappuccinos, lattes and macchiatos. Using beans of both Asian and South American origin, Forte gives you the perfect robust base at unbeatable value. Finally we have Super Forte, the perfect early morning wake-up coffee. 100% Robusta beans grown in the humid atmosphere of Western Vietnam. Super Forte has a strong, intense flavour for those with a taste for rich coffee. We hope you have enjoyed our taster of what we have to offer at Wholesale Coffee Company and look forward to your order.